the star of the show, the moment you've been waiting for, the reason why I went to McDonald's, the reason why we bought 3 movie meals today was to get the Grimace Egg. Grimace Egg here is 03 at the end. This is the Grimace Egg from the McDonald's movie meal Minecraft collaboration. And this is the box. Not much information, interesting information on the box. There's not much interesting information on the box, and you get some copyright notices, but the most important thing on the box is this code at the end, 03, which tells you that this is the Grimace Egg. That's the code for the Grimace Egg. Multiple boxes, they have different codes on there. Otherwise, it's a mystery box and you don't know what's inside of it, but actually, if you can look on the bottom of the box, you can't see. And this one looks like it was never opened. Even here, it doesn't look like it was opened. But I tell you it was opened because I opened it and I put it back to show you, to make this video. So, to open it, okay, so I have this part here on the bottom. To open it, I press on it. To open it, you press on this part here with this white square, rectangle. Now it's open. And if you want to close it, you press on this other side. And now it's closed. I have a video about showing how this whole thing works. But now it's opened. And you see these flaps, they go on top there, and you can close it and open it really quickly. But you don't need to close it and open it to know what's inside. All you have to look for is the code for the one you want. If you're missing, for example, I'm missing the fries helmet and the zombie Hamburglar, so I will look for those. They have different codes. And this one is the Grimace Egg. If you don't believe me, keep watching. You will see the Grimace Egg. Right there. It's the Grimace Egg. That's the card for it. There is the information. But what's important here is many people don't have the Grimace Egg, and this is really those eyes. It looks really funny. And the skin in Minecraft Bedrock, it's really interesting. It has a really nice skin for Minecraft Bedrock for the game. And you get the skin in the game by redeeming the code on the back of this card. That's why you have this card. So this card here has a code here and a QR code, 25-digit code. You enter it in the game in Minecraft Bedrock and you will redeem. I didn't redeem any of them yet. We will use them at some point, but I didn't redeem them yet. But I'm not going to be able to share it because I want to use them at some point. So I hope you understand this. Still, the picture looks really nice, and these are so far the ones we have. It's the Grimace Egg, this kind of burger, cheeseburger or square. There is the Birdie and the soda potion. So we need 2 more. It's like a deck of Minecraft skin codes. Okay, so the moment I've been waiting for today, I was really excited to find this thing. So this one, that's the Grimace Egg here. And you see it has the eyes, they're really well defined. And then there is a tongue, there is the mouth, eyebrows. It has eyebrows, the eyes looking to its left, and then the mouth and the tongue. It looks a bit like an egg, because it's supposed to be an egg, Grimace Egg. Grimace Shake, this is related to the Grimace Shake, and there is a code KCB. Maybe on some boxes there are letters here, 3 letters codes on the side, so it might be like this KCB, for example. It might be KCB on the box instead of 03, I'm not sure, but this is the Grimace Egg. That's how it looks like from the side. It's pretty interesting. It has a bit of, I mean, we were eating also, but I think it's simple, but the face is everything. So this is the Grimace Egg here with the Grimace Egg skin for the Minecraft game, Minecraft Bedrock. Actually, I would like to say, I want to say that I like the soda potion more than the Grimace Egg, but the Grimace Egg has this funny face looking like that, so I guess they could be sitting together next to each other like that, something like this. So it could, I guess they could be sitting next to each other, something like this. I'm not sure, but yeah, the Grimace Egg does look interesting. And this Birdie also looks pretty interesting, and Hamburglar. They are really solid plastic, made of solid plastic, and you should keep the cards for the codes even if you don't use Minecraft. I don't play Minecraft now, but maybe I will try it